now giving me the feel that no, even though we are not connected in school, at least we remember each other, because when I see you in uniform, I recognize you better, is what I feel. Right. So today, as you know, you have to participate in self-talk, and there are parameters which is already given by Vanishri ma'am. The message is sent. I hope so. You people are well prepared. And today's participation from your end, the way you're going to present yourself, the confidence with which you're going to speak will make a big difference for us to decide whether you are going to be in the cabinet or not. So make sure that you don't waste time. Make sure that you're not, no, speaking unnecessary things, and clearly what the points are mentioned by us, you're going to cover that and speak very confidently. Okay. The names will be called out by Vanishri ma'am, and the student should unmute the speaker and speak as per the parameters given. Okay, fine. All set? Right. So ensure that you don't have any disturbances around, and you are no. And one more very important instruction: like once your chance is over, you're not supposed to leave till the complete session is on. So till the last student speaks, you should be visible on screen, because if you know feel that your chance is over and you leave the meeting and go, how is that you will be motivating the others, right? So your presence till the end is needed. And if I see anybody unmuting in between and creating disturbance, or you're not switching on the video, your video is in the off mode, you will be disqualified. So you should be visible on screen till the complete session is on, right? Okay, all the best to all of you.
Success for me is just not a person achieving. For me, it is helping others achieve. I also admit that I may not be the smartest or coolest of all the candidates, but I can assure you that if you select me, I would put my everything into to become a good school captain. I would be proud and honored to be one of the people representing our school. I could become a good school captain. I am responsible, trustworthy. You can rely on me to get the job done no matter what the circumstances.
Reddy of Class 10 feels honor to be in the shortlist of the School Cabinet 2020 and 21. In my point of view, a great leader must possess the three R's: respect to self, respect to others, and responsibilities for all their actions. I too, as a cabinet member, will try above my breath to possess these three R's. I like reading books to empower my knowledge, and always try to enroll my name in every activity, maybe above my age. By doing so, I will be knowing about my strengths.
I'm here before you to discuss the reason why I want to be a part of the school cabinet for this academic year. I realize that it's a privilege to have the honor, but I'm confident that I'll be a suitable candidate. I will try to uphold and obey all the rules and become a role model that you can all look up to. I will try to I'm sure that I'll give my 100% in academics, extracurricular activities, co-curricular activities, and assembly activities. I will even see that there is a maximum number of participation in co-curricular activities and assembly activities. I promise to work hard to be an effective leader that you can all look up to.
Here, our school has been closed. There's not much opportunity. But even though I'm ready to prove myself, um, but it's not about the opportunity what I think. It's about the passion with what I aspire to do. My
Thing I would like to start with is what I learned at this crisis: the positivity and the zeal to achieve. If I'm into my school's cabinet, um, every work allotted and the leadership I acquire, I would do that with full positivity and enthusiasm. I believe that though no one can go back and create a new beginning, but anyone can create one now and make a new ending. I would rather try to propagate the statement and even follow it. I want to accept the challenge of being a good leader to the school and make this opportunity meaningful. Talking about myself, I think I'm good in academics, in sports, and in other co curricular activities. My aim is to become a civil servant And so for that, leadership qualities are very much required.
And I have seen the drawing and changing of school every year with new ideas. Uh, Here at SMHS, we get a chance to learn amazing things. We have supportive teachers and amazing friends. This is the reason I want to be the part of school cabinet so that I can give back to the school that has helped me so much. I am strong and determined at my will, and I have a friendly relationship with all teachers and students and would love to make more. I will be a good bridge between the
Here to discuss why I think I can become a good cabinet member of the academic year 2020 to 21. So, firstly, I would like to start by explaining what this position means to me and what this responsibility means to me. I don't know the exact meaning of responsibility, but I think that responsibility is sometimes fun. It sometimes gives you pressure, but one thing every time it's same that when you fulfill it, you get the one of the biggest happiness in the world.
All my dear friends. Today, I, Advata of class 10, is here to give a self-talk for school cabinet selections. Firstly, I want to give a full form for the word leadership. L stands for loyalty, being loyal to each and every person. E stands for empathy, understanding the person or understanding the person's situation. A stands for accountability, being responsible for your own actions. D stands for duty and determination, fulfilling your duties and being determined. E stands for energy and encouragement, being energetic and encouraging the people all around you. R stands for respect, respecting each and every person. S stands for selflessness, concerning for others. H stands for honorable and honest, being in a way such that everyone shows respect towards you and not being very proud. I stands for eternity and uh, innovation, being honest and having new ideas. P stands for passion and pride, being
work hard and be the effective leader. My aim is to become an IAS officer and serve the country. I think an aimless person is like a ship that has lost its control over the sea. The responsibilities of the cabinet are many. So I'll promise to maintain discipline in the school and I'll encourage students to participate in ECA and CCA competitions as well as in school celebrations. I'm responsible, honest, dedicated, and trustworthy. I'm passionate of helping others and cooking. And now I conclude my speech by saying that great leaders don't set out to be a leader. They set out to make a difference. It's never about the role, it's about the goal. Thank you.
Appreciate your patience and the time taken by all of you to prepare for today's talk and taking the help of your parents too. And with the way you people involved and the way you people expressed yourself definitely gives me the confidence that every one of you are unique. And if opportunity is given, you're going to definitely do a wonderful job. And this is what makes our job very hard, because at this point of time when the competitors are more in number, it's difficult for the panel members to decide upon who is the best among the best. So with this, no good wishes around, we'll see how things are going to work out and how is our selections going to be, because it's not only the decision of one or two persons involved, it's the decision of many. The whole committee is here and everybody have heard to you and they know about your past, your track record, your discipline areas and all. We are going to just discuss about, give ourselves, like we are going to recollect what all the things you have done and you are going to do. How is that you're going to correct yourself? And if chance given, how is that you're going to take the school to the next level? Now, these are all the areas we are going to judge you. We are going to assess you the best, and then finally decision is going to be taken. So all the best to all of you. And now fingers crossed for the final list to be posted. And please keep checking the dates and hope so that your name is in the list. And if it is not in the list also, please don't get worried. There is nothing, any no personal thing where we no think about and take the decision. It's only to choose the best team for the cabinet, because as you people know, practically the portfolios are 32, and no, we would be taking the students from class 10 as well as class 9. So the opportunity should also be given to class 9. So keeping in that, the best will be taken. Now it doesn't mean that you are not the best. You are definitely the best. Might be one or two areas are there where you have to improve yourself. Whatever, we'll try to discuss later. But no, ensure no, don't get disappointed from now. It's not that, I don't know, you people at times come to conclusion that no, few students I spoke to and few students I did not, or no, don't be in the wrong perception that the students whom I spoke to are going to be in the cabinet. Nothing of that sort. It's only my idea to engage them in some kind of conversation to know them better. That's it. Okay. It has nothing to do with the list. So the students to whom I spoke to, whom I did not speak to, also will be part of the school cabinet. Right, children? Yeah. Anything you would like to convey? Any better suggestions, any ideas you would like to tell us? The whole committee? Okay, as we are wishing you all the best, will you not wish us all the best to select the good team for 2021? Yes, I know your faces. No, definitely it's an all the best for us. Okay, concluding also, we need a song. Who will sing for us? Yeah, it'll be Akshank.
रेडियो पे गाने पाओ मेरे डैश में गाड़ी धीरे चल रही भाई तेरा ऐश में तस्वीरें देखो मेरी आई एम स्माइलिंग मॉडल लगने लगा तेरा भाई नो स्टाइलिंग वॉइट से मिले अक्षांक का पता नहीं कब बोलता वो उसमें तेरी कोई कहानी सपनों से तो दूर कभी कभी नहीं हटानी सब पढ़ने को तैयार लेकिन मुझको नहीं पता नहीं भाई तेरा चिल कर लेता नो प्रेशर लाइफ लाइक अ कॉलेज एंड आई एम फीलिंग लाइक अ फ्रेशर 3-4 दोस्त बाकी सब एक दोस्त म्यूजिक अपना बजे और हेटर सारे टोस्ट बीट्स का कत्ल बहुत फकिंग पूरी वर्स सब कुछ हासिल करो आई एम टॉकिंग यूनिवर्स बंदा बहुत सिंपल हैंड खेल नो गेम्बल बातें अपनी गहरी प्रेजेंट एकेडेमिक मैं करूँ सोलो सोलो राइड जिंदगी है मस्त अपनी सबसे है भाई मैं करूँ सोलो सोलो राइड that's it
Very nice. When did you become a rapper?
ma'am. I write from when I was in class 6.
Oh, very nice. That's a good note to end, right? Okay, thank you, students. All the best. See you all very soon in the cabinet, and no, we look forward that you join the practice session also. Okay, all the best. Thank you. And I thank the selection committee members also for patiently listening to the students. Right. Thank you.